Really quick, here's how to check or add coolant to a Volkswagen Atlas. In this case, it's a 2019. First and foremost, never mess with the engine coolant unless the engine is cold. If the engine has recently been running, the coolant will be pressurized and it can erupt like a volcano of boiling fluid. You don't want that. Don't try it. First, we need to pop the hood of the Atlas. Under the hood in the back corner is the coolant tank. If we get in close, we can see there's a line that says min. When the engine is cool, the coolant should always be above this line. The upper line just above it is the maximum amount of coolant there should be. So we want to fill it to somewhere between these two lines. And in my case, it's way too low. You got to make sure you use the right type of coolant for your engine. This is really important. Check your owner's manual or go look it up online. In this case, G13 was inscribed on the coolant tank. I went to a local auto parts store and told them I needed G13, and they showed me this. As you can see, it says it's for Volkswagens years 2008 and newer, which is what my Atlas is. Also important, this is a 50-50 premix, meaning it's already mixed with water and we don't need to mix it with any more water. Most coolant you buy these days are premixed, but check to make sure. When the engine is cool, slowly unscrew the top of the coolant tank. If there's any pressure remaining, you'll want it to depressurize slowly. Use a glove or a rag just in case. I've got a cheap funnel, and now I'm going to slowly pour in the coolant. And I'll keep checking to make sure I don't put too much in. Once it's between the two lines, you've got enough. Put the cap back on tight, fire it up, and you should be good to go. Coolant shouldn't need to be topped off very often, and if you have to do it frequently, you probably have a leak that needs investigating. Please hit that like button. It helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. Take care.